Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god, that is
Fucking hell.
got it.
Oh.
A shark.
Let him go into the wreck.
Tighten the drag, lads. Tighten the drag. Oh.
Oh my god.
Whooping Gundam style. Woo wee. Yeah, beautiful.
Oh my god, Larry.
Oh, that's a nice black bream, isn't it?
Him.
You chuck it, it caught it.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Kestrel Warrior 6. Wreck fishing, guys. Lovely black bream. Oh, get him on behind. Papa Anthony's on. Lovely. 2-hook flapper. Squid is your bait. Who's your daddy? What's going on, people? Welcome back. We are on the Kestrel Warrior 6. Skipper Antonio is going to talk you through what we are fishing for and where we are fishing.
Alright guys, so we are currently fishing roughly 50 metres in front of a wreck. What we're doing at the moment is we're drifting our baits down towards these little dots. These are the marks for the wreck.
Nice.
And we're currently about 50 metres in front at anchor, and what we're doing is we're sending down baits to fish just in front of the wreck. As you can see, we've got mackerel on the screen, and every now and again we get a little shoal of fish show up on the chart plotter.
Lovely. Fucking first time you've caught before me, you motherfucker. Alison with his MJ
Ali got
glove.
his gloves, everything ready.
Wait, fucking point it your way.
Oh. It's on, people. It's on. Oh my goodness. Fucking he's on like King Kong. We are on, finally. Woo!
What, Anthony? Some bass down there. That's 12 foot down. Not me, don't go get me.
Yes.
Oh, here you go. Let me do that.
Now we're cooking, guys.
I think that's it for bait.
Turkish tangler is on.
Tangling, I'm not gonna tangle this time.
Turkish tangler living up to his name.
Proper tangled.
Mate, just cut it. They're only like £1 each.
Why don't you tell me before that?
Right, the setup I'm using. A Pen 113H with a Mariner GCO. All Australian gear, so fairly big. Got myself a flappered mackerel. Is flappered? Flap?
Yeah,
Flappered.
flapper.
We are fishing for eels on the wreck, or black bream. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
He's on.
You feel like black bream?
Nice little selection. So it currently stands that I have the biggest fish. Is that correct?
Yes.
Sorry, couldn't hear you all. Turkish tangler's on. I have no idea what he's doing. Why do you always have issues when you go fishing?
Shut up, it's coming. The big boy's coming. No, it's not coming anymore.
Reeler in.
Oh yeah. You've only got a little left.
Hey, he's got an eel.
Oh my god, you take
Nice.
Oh my god, you take it, I don't want it.
Bring her in, guys. Now we're
Tangle,
cooking. Biggest
Oh.
fish goes to him.
Thank you.
He's feisty.
Is that hook caught then? That
Yeah,
hook left?
no,
Yeah.
Throw it in.
Oh, you got Blake Broom.
Oh, I'm on. I'm on. I'm on.
And I just put blood and guts all over your mouthpiece.
No, I'm not on. I don't know.
You had a nice little rattle.
Yep.
You on?
So,
No.
let me just pop it down. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. There we are. We're back. Oh, I got a prat of a pounting.
Was it?
Ugh.
Little scuzzy pouting. Oh, we're doing the conger, guys. I know.
Don't chuck it if you see the ball. I'll try it. I know what he feels.
Woo wee! Fighter's on. Look at that. It's big. Go on. I definitely feel like it's slightly bigger than my bream. Oh, we got some colour. Oh, that's a decent
God,
size.
that's massive. Oh my God.
Nice.
Fuck yeah. It's like a shark.
Smiling at you.
Can I hold it for you?
Well, man.
Bring her in.
Do they bite?
Yeah, I think they do actually.
Take your finger off, put it in the mouth. So it's not you want to
Knife.
it?
Oh,
Hold it.
well, that's that then. Oh, I got that on film as well.
Good job.
See you, buddy.
He didn't want to be filmed.
Oh, we got salmon on this one.
Come on.
Oh, this is it.
We should be on, people. He's just deep throating it.
I reckon he's on. Just wind in slowly.
That heel.
Wind in slowly. Keep winding.
Doesn't feel like it.
Yeah, he's on there. Go on, lift into him.
Lay drop in.
There he is. Oh, my drag. How do I turn you up? It's an eel fest.
Come on, my friend.
Oh, he's let go.
Why? Motherfucker. So this is the bait we're using. Some skanky old mackerel from our last fishing trip last year. Yep, he was there. He was there. He was there. Oh, Dennis ain't here.
Dennis.
Pretty simple rig, weight at the top, bit of whatever that's called, and a big old hook. Antonio, the skipper, is going to show us how to hook it.
Through the tail.
Oh, that is old.
Oh yeah, that's okay, try that again.
Through the tail.
Through the tail. Straight down, I don't.
Come on, people. Lovely conditions. It's going to be a beautiful sunset. We shall get that eel.
That much down there.
She's flicking. You probably find they are on there.
Yeah.
See if it's heavy or not.
I need to check. What did you need?
Oh shit. And that smells like penis. Yeah, so kestrel wearer 6. Yeah.
Oh my god, that is
Fucking hell.
got it.
Oh.
A shark.
Let him go into the wreck.
Oh.
Or is it coming up?
The tide's going down, so you must have caught the dog.
Ooh.
You think you got a proper one on this
I got
time?
something juicy.
That's a proper one.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Look at the sunset, guys. Ooh. Oh, motherfucker. Yeah. It's definitely not a bream.
Really, yeah?
You imagine that being a bream?
Oh, it'd be delicious.
Anyone would think you're playing a bluefin tuna.
Who knows?
Resent me.
Oh, he's come off.
Oh my god. Ah, my arm.
It's only a tickler.
Get a nice further back one. Yes. Woohoo. Go back there. Get the full size. Ah, kestrel wearer 6, guys. Eel fishing. Oh.
Fucking hell, it's got
Papa Smurf is on.
Oh,
Oh. Come out. Go on.
oh my god. That's a big eel.
That's not a big eel, Anthony. I think I've got.
Ah. Woohoo.
That was a big eel.
Oh. Just to finish the trip off, Alison Mack is in.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful sunset.
Not me.
Turkish tangler, not fucking tangled for once.
Yeah.
Bring her in. Woo! Woo wee!
Sea bream.
Mackerel. Yeah. Beautiful. That's it. Bring her up.
This is the time when we get the pressure coming around the wreck. Yeah, Jim.
I got